Hey guys, Scott here from Design with Scott. I'm so super excited about Crafters Convention 2020. And so each Tuesday over the next few weeks, we will be releasing a new video. I'm so super excited about it. So today's video is an introduction. Um, I'm super excited for you guys to start seeing these videos. Y'all, just wait. You are going to see some hilarious stuff. We have some great designers lined up for Crafters Convention 2020. So check out craftersconvention.com, craftersconvention.com for all the information, and it's being updated all the time. All right, much love. Enjoy this video.
Hey guys, Becky Jones here with Beyond Boards with Becky, and I am super honored to be this year's MC at Crafters Convention 2020 on March 5th through the 7th in Fairview Heights, Illinois. I cannot believe the lineup that we had this year, you guys. Holy smokes. If you haven't seen it, I'm about to show you. Damon Oates from Deco Exchange. Jackie Blewett, Jackie's Wreaths and Things. Amy Rudy Smith, Babam Wreaths. Lisa Kellum, Kellum's Creations. Michelle and Stony Stone, Wilds Creek and Company. Lori Franklin, Unique in the Creek Ltd. Derica Hill, Derica's Designs. Lauren Kilgore, Beautiful Mesh. Catherine Scoville, Tickle Me So. Karen Mester with Crafty Karen's Designs. Chris Haas with Affordable Wreath Signs. Jan A's J. Marie Designed. Teeny Muir, Coastal Style, etc. And last but not least, Scott Waterman with Design with Scott. Okay, that was a lineup. Wow. You guys, we hope we see you there. Make sure you go and check out www.craftersconvention.com. All your questions should be answered on there, but if you have more, feel free to let us know. Again, that's www.craftersconvention.com. Please feel free to go and check it out, and we'll see you there.